Hey Michael, my name is Lee Turbianic and I've been doing some research in your area and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out the competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is just some feedback at the end of the video. So let's jump right in. 3 major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that you see on your homepage that is in words, and Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on your homepage. Now, I do see you guys have content, and even these pictures and what they're saved as is considered content. So you have about, I'd say, close to 600 words on your homepage. Now, I did a normal search for Plumber, King of Prussia, PA, and as you can see, Len the Plumber is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content he has on his homepage. He does have some content, maybe 200 words, so you are beating him, but if you were to get that 1,500 words on your homepage, optimized in Google's aspect. So let's go back to this search for Plumbers, King of Prussia, PA, and as you can see, this top section is ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here. And honestly, I feel like it's a waste. If you're ranking in these other 2 sections, you'll have plenty of traffic coming into your site without having to pay cost per click for each lead that comes in. So let's touch base on this second section, and this is the GMB or Google Map Hack. Now, what dictates your ranking in this section is a citation, and a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So as you can see, ServiceMark Heating and Cooling is first place. So I wanted to see how many citations he has. Now, I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. I plugged in his information, and as you can see, he only has 7 citations going to this listing. Now, the good part about this is we can go into his citation sources and see which ones he has. And honestly, he only has 1 or 2 that's actually counting. So I suggest going to get 80 to 100 for your business. Beat out these guys by a landslide, and also that's getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web. So that's a citation. Now this organic section down here, it has to deal directly with your website, and what ranks you in this section is backlinks. Now a backlink is when one website links to another website via hyperlink. I'm sure you've seen them, little blue text, you click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website giving the other website a backlink, and Google counts them as votes. So the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have. It's like a popularity contest. But not all backlinks are created equal either. Some are more powerful than others. And you want more relative sites linking back to you rather than, say, Pizza Hut giving you a backlink, because you don't sling pizzas for a living, you're a plumber. So I'm going to show you that stuff right now. Now I have this other tool I use called Ahrefs. And as you can see, I put your guys' URL up here, and this is going to show me an overall statistics of your website. So it's showing me that you guys have 176 websites giving you almost 2,500 backlinks. Now, the only ones that are really transmitting power is these do follow links, which you only have 66 of. So you're ranking for 281 keywords and getting about 700 traffic. Now let's look at Len the Plumbers. So Len the Plumber has 1,350 referring domains, giving him almost 16,000 backlinks. And he has 969 do follow links. The best part about this is we can go into his do follow links, and when they pop up, each and every single one of those do follow links are laid out for us to submit for your business. You know it's working for him, they're powering his website, and they got him to the top. It'll work for you. So that's just a thought. Now I want to touch base on the keywords. So let's go to your page, and you're ranking for 281 keywords. Now this goes to show what you're missing out on by not ranking in the first position. So you're ranking for a lot for your name, but we want to find more general keywords like Plumbers, Broomhill, PA. That's 40 searches and 3 KD. Now the KD is keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for. And volume is how many times this keyword is being searched each month. So that was 40. HVAC and plumbing companies, that's global. West End Hardware, William Plumbing, Plumbing, Heating, and Air. I'm not seeing really many keywords for these people that are, would type Plumbers in Broomall, PA, 40 and 0. There's one. Plumbers in Henderson, 30 and 0. Broomall. So I want to go back to keywords, and as you can see, He is ranking for Plumber King of Prussia, 60 and 0 in the second position. Plumbers in King of Prussia, 40 and 0. Plumber King of Prussia, 40 and 0. Plumbers King of Prussia, 40 and 0. Now these are all ideal keywords because they have high volume and they have 0 KD, 0 being the easiest to rank for. So, and he's in the second and third position. We know we could beat him out. So you can go and grab all these keywords, place them throughout your 1,500 words on your homepage, and then Google would link them. When someone types this in, it recognizes it's in your content. So boom, and if you're ranking at the top of Google, you're going to get that traffic. So let's do a recap of what we talked about. The first thing was content. You need 1,500 words on your homepage so you can fit those keywords that we talked about throughout it, one per every 100 words. Second thing we talked about was citations, and that's what ranks you in this Google Map Hack section. I'd say getting 100 to 200 for your business. Beat these guys out by a landslide, never let them come back up and beat you, and also getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories for people to find you. And then the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority, and if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just drop me a line or two and let me know that you watched the video. Thank you.